drift experienced by boat during its motion across the river. Drift experienced by boat during its motion across the river. What is drift? Drift is nothing but the displacement of boat along the river flow. This is VR bar. A person starts to cross the river with velocity V bar in this direction. He want to reach the point A to point B. Here velocity is VBR. Velocity of boat with respect to river. What is velocity of river? This is VR. Actual velocity with respect to ground is VBG. He started at this point. Exactly opposite point of A is B, but finally he reaches point C. The distance moved from B to C is known as drift. That is the distance travelled by the boat during its motion across the river. That is BC is known as drift experienced by the boat. Here this is velocity of boat VBR. So VBR cos theta is component along x-axis or along the river flow. VBR sin theta is component of velocity perpendicular to the river flow. So here velocity of the river is VR I cap. Velocity of boat with respect to river is VBR cos theta I cap plus VBR sin theta j cap. What is velocity of boat with respect to ground? VBR bar plus VRG bar. What is velocity of boat with respect to ground? VBR cos theta I cap plus VBR sin theta j cap. This is VBR cos theta. This is VBR sin theta. Velocity of boat with respect to ground is VBR cos theta. This I component, this is also I component. These two can be added. VBR cos theta plus VR into I cap plus VBR sin theta into j cap. Time taken to cross the river. So what is the width of the river? W. During its motion, it travels a distance W. Component of velocity perpendicular to the river flow is VBR sin theta. So T is equal to W by VBR sin theta. So this is the time. What is the component of velocity? What is the component of velocity along the river flow? VBR cos theta plus VR. So drift experienced by the boat, drift x, drift is equal to x into what is velocity of boat along the river flow? This is VBR cos theta plus VR. VBR cos theta plus VR into time taken T. What is time taken by the boat to cross the river? Time taken by the boat to cross the river is width of the boat, width of the river by component of velocity perpendicular to the river flow. That is VBR sin theta. So x is equal to VBR cos theta plus VR into W by VBR sin theta. This is the drift experienced by the boat. Here there are two cases. First case, drift experienced by the boat during its motion perpendicular to the river flow. That is the minimum time case. Suppose case 1. A person starts from this point A with velocity VBR. So you want to cross the river, you want to reach the exactly opposite point. But the river flow, what is the direction of river flow? This is VR, direction of river flow. His stroke is always perpendicular to the river flow. That is VBR. So actually his path with respect to ground is in this direction. This is VBG. Finally he reaches this point. He always at this point his path is like this, but actual path is this. Finally he reaches to this point. This BC is known as the drift experienced by the person. So here velocity of boat with respect to river is always perpendicular to the river flow. So what is the width of the river? Here this is width of the river. What is the time taken? Time taken to cross the river. So time taken to cross the river is width of the river is W. This W is the width of the river W by component of velocity. Component here velocity is perpendicular to the river flow. So W by VBR. This is the time taken to cross the river in minimum time. Time taken to cross the river in minimum time. So what is the drift experienced by boat? Drift X is equal. Velocity of boat in the direction of river flow is only VR. How can you say? So here velocity of boat with respect to river is VBR I cap. This is I cap. This is J cap. Velocity of boat with respect to river is VBR J cap. Velocity of river is VR bar is equal to VR into I cap. Velocity of boat with respect to ground bar is equal to VBR bar plus VRG bar. So VBR bar is VBR J cap plus VR I cap. This is VBG. So velocity of boat with respect to ground is VBR J cap plus VR I cap. Here this is the component of velocity along the river flow for boat. So what is the drift experienced by the boat? VR into time taken T. X is equal to VAR into what is the time taken? W by VBR. This is the drift experienced by the boat while crossing the river in minimum time. While crossing the river in minimum time. To cross the river in minimum time, the stroke must be perpendicular to the river flow. The stroke must be perpendicular to the river flow. In second case, there is another case. Minimum drift case or zero drift, minimum drift case. Here, this point is A, this point is B. Suppose a person want to cross the river exactly from A to B. He want to reach exactly opposite point. What is the direction to move? Here, velocity of boat is V, velocity of river is VR bar. Here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is minus x, I cap, minus I cap, this is J cap. Width of the river is W. Suppose here velocity of boat with respect to river is in this direction. This angle is theta. Actually, velocity of the river is in this direction. VR bar. He may move with respect to ground in this direction. So this is the path. So what are the components? This is VBR cos theta. This is VBR sin theta. VBR. So actually at this point, this is a VBR bar, this is a VR bar, this final direction is VRG bar. So he reaches to B. VBR sin theta. What is velocity of river? VR bar is equal to VR I cap. Velocity of the river. What is velocity of boat? Velocity of boat with respect to river, VBR bar is equal. One component is along y-axis, other component is along negative x-axis. VBR bar is equal VBR sin theta minus I cap, VBR sin theta minus I cap plus VBR cos theta j cap. So what is velocity of boat with respect to ground? Velocity of boat with respect to ground is equal VBR bar plus VRG bar. VBR bar plus VRG bar. VBR bar plus VRG bar. What is VBR bar? Minus VBR sin theta I cap plus VBR cos theta j cap plus VR I cap. Here VR minus VBR sin theta into I cap. VR is in this direction. VBR sin theta is in opposite direction. Net velocity is VR minus VBR sin theta I cap plus VBR cos theta into j cap. This is the velocity of boat with respect to ground. VR minus VBR sin theta I cap plus VBR cos theta. Here my boat must move from, our case is minimum drift case. So in minimum drift, boat must move from A to B. So there is no component of velocity, along the river flow. To cross the river along this path, VR minus VBR sin theta, should be 0. To cross the river in shortest path, the component of velocity along the river flow should be 0. So VR minus VBR sin theta is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to VR by VBR. So what is the angle made by the person to cross the river in shortest path is theta is equal to sin inverse VR by VBR. This case is possible only when VR is less than VBR. VR should be less than VBR. If VR greater than VBR, minimum drift, zero drift is not possible. Why? Sin theta is equal to VR by VBR. VR is greater than VBR, that is greater than 1. This condition is not possible. So VR, this condition is zero drift is possible only when VR is less than, velocity of the river is less than velocity of boat with respect to river. So to cross the river in shortest path, sin theta should be equal to VR by VBR. So second case, this is zero drift. In this case, what is the time taken by the boat to cross the river? So what is the distance travelled perpendicular to the river flow? That is the distance travelled perpendicular to the river flow is W. What is the component of velocity perpendicular to the river flow? VBR cos theta. So time taken to cross the river is equal to W by VBR cos theta. So this is the time taken to cross the river. What is the time taken to cross the river in terms of VR and VBR? That is P is equal to W by VBR square root of 1 minus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. What is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. What is cos theta? Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So here T is equal to W by VBR square root of 1 minus, what is sin theta? VR by VBR. VR square by VBR square. So finally T is equal to W by VBR into square root of VBR square minus VR square by VBR. VBR will get cancel each other. So finally time taken to cross the river in shortest path is VBR square minus VR square. So in this case is possible only when VR is less than VBR. Time taken to cross the river in shortest path, W by square root of VBR square minus VR square. So these are the two cases. One is minimum time to cross the river, and the second case is shortest path. Okay, thank you.